This time we got the brand new Battles of Legend Monstrous Revenge on our hands. We're gonna open this box, split the packs in two, and have a pack battle with my beautiful girl. Let's begin. So, let's sum up and see who the winner is. You've got this side, so let's start with you. We got Book of Eclipse, Junk Archer, Dante, which is a nice one, Assault Synchron, which is one of the most wanted cards right now, Golden Rule, Tiramisu, Draco Berserker, Courageous Crimson Chevalier, Ptolemaeus, Shadow's Light, Danger Nessie, and another Courageous Chevalier. Your ultras were these. The DDD is a nice one. Guard Mantis, Urobonus, the Baroque Rebo, Mother Spider, Punks the Yamin, Purpose Grudge, the Sages, Puppet Pawn, Starlight Papillon, we got Caticorn, Photon Vancer, the Odd Eyes Rebellion Exist Dragon, Performable Odd Eyes Butler, we got the Zalaran the Dark Palace, XYZ Bento, another Punk Sarakusai, Lamia, Protection of the Elements, the Dark Arm Dragon, Praying Mantis, Forest of Lost Powers, Baby Spider. These cards are probably from the deck that the Spider guy used in 5DS. We also got Dimensional Fissure, Ghost Wyvern, that's a beautiful one, look at this. Sage of Strength, Final Cross, Punk Deer Note, and Promotion, the first card with both opens. Let's keep going with mine. I'll start with my Ultra. I also got Sage of Wisdom, Bestial Boldrake, okay, that's a nice one. That's a wanted card right now. Sprite Smashers, Constellar Diamond, Black Mamba, Celestial Apparatus. We got Ghost Fusion, Ghost Lancer, Aratama, Saitama, Numbers Last Hope, Math Mech Equation. We got Sarakusa again, Himmel, Link Decoder, Ghost Sleeper, the new Blackwing, Strangna, the Waning Moon, Arms Regeneration, Volcanic Cell, Thunder's Discharge, Microcosmos, Spiral Quickwix, Puppet Pawn again, Lamia, Puppet Rook, the Ciela, Ghost Sleeper, Promotion again, Rising Carp, Rose Shaman, and the promotion. I think I win because my secrets were better. I got Rocket Coder, Dark Hole, Mysterion, Foxytune, that's a nice one, goes here. We got Duality, that's a really good card. Let's keep it here. We got the Dark Magician, so it's a plus. That's because of the artwork and the nostalgia it brings. Draco Berserker, Super Polymerization, RGB Rainbow Lucian, Assault Synchron again, Shadow's Light, and another Dark Hole. So that's it. I think I clearly won this, and we hope we'll see you next time.